Welcome to 2230 Golden Falcon Dining Room, Ruskin, Florida, a charming townhome near shopping, dining, and beautiful beaches. Discover the perfect blend of convenience and coastal living in the vibrant city of Ruskin, Florida. This delightful townhome offers a comfortable and low-maintenance lifestyle with its ideal location near shopping, dining, and the stunning beaches that Florida is renowned for. Step inside this lovely townhome to find a thoughtfully designed floor plan that maximizes space and functionality. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, this residence provides ample room for relaxation and privacy. The well-appointed bedrooms offer comfortable retreats, while the bathrooms feature modern fixtures and a soothing ambience. The inviting living area welcomes you with its warm and cozy atmosphere, perfect for spending quality time with loved ones or unwinding after a long day. The open-concept layout seamlessly connects the living room to the dining area, creating an ideal space for entertaining guests. The well-equipped kitchen boasts modern appliances, sleek cabinetry, and ample counter space. Whether you're a seasoned chef or enjoy cooking, this kitchen will meet all your culinary needs. Be ready to enjoy the Florida sunshine and balmy breezes in the comfort of your outdoor retreat. The townhome offers a private patio or backyard, providing an ideal outdoor dining space or simply soaking up the sun. Create cherished memories with friends and family in this charming outdoor oasis. Situated in a highly convenient location, this townhome is just a stone's throw away from various shopping and dining options. Indulge in retail therapy at nearby shopping centers or explore the diverse culinary scene that Ruskin has to offer. Additionally, the beautiful beaches of Florida's Gulf Coast are within easy reach, allowing you to enjoy breathtaking sunsets, soft sand, and rejuvenating ocean waves. Residents of this townhome community also benefit from additional amenities such as well-maintained common areas, a swimming pool, fitness facilities, a kids' playground, and more. Take advantage of these perks to enhance your lifestyle and maximize your time at home. Take advantage of the opportunity to